The Mercantile Library has a long history of collecting and preserving Missouri art, even being referred to early in its history as the city's first art gallery. The library is the heart of the Umsl campus, and the physical changes to the building will significantly improve student access.
A world-class library is essential for a public research university such as Umsl to properly prepare its graduates to be job-ready upon graduation.
The library's renovation will create a space even more student-centered than before, with plans based on student input and expressed needs, and designed to provide essential, accessible, and inclusive services that support student success. And in addition, the region will gain even more access to the Mercantile's exceptional collections.
I think it's very important for the students that they get a feeling of the history of St. Louis as they're studying for their future, and in many cases, their future in St. Louis.
A key component of this project is to place the Mercantile's vast research collections on display to inspire and inform students on a daily basis. The new Gallery of Missouri Art makes it possible for us to display this collection in cohesive and meaningful ways.
Umsl means so much to our region in terms of the workforce, the culture, the opportunities provided.
Currently, there are more than 80,000 Umsl alum living and working in the St. Louis area, which means these improvements will have a powerful, positive ripple effect into St. Louis. Simply put, this project would not be possible without donor support. Thank you really is hardly sufficient for all that our donors have done for the Mercantile, for Umsl, and most importantly, for our students.
Your donations support the preservation of our history. They are making a definite investment in the future of our region.